Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne, first generation guys, years 2002 to 2010. Now, what we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the fuel injectors. Stay with us now guys. It doesn't matter if you have the V6 or V8 engine, the procedure is exactly the same and it's the same fuse. Now, let me introduce you guys. We have more than 200 videos out ago guys to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. More videos, mechanical videos, could be found on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. So please guys, give it a subscribe. You will need to guys open the hood for the fuel injectors. Okay, let me show you. On this V8 you can see the fuel injectors. Okay, you can see those are fuel injectors guys. And after that, okay, let me show you now. This cover here, okay, will need to be removed. So we need to twist those things like that, pull it up, slide it out. And now right here we get to a fuse box. But in order to open that fuse, we have three things that we need to twist 90 degrees. Okay, we grab it guys like that. Now, fuses that we need to check guys. Okay, now if you have a 6-cylinder engine, okay, fuse number 7 will be for fuel injector 1, 2 and 3, and fuse 8 will be for fuel injector 4, 5 and 6. If you have the V8, okay, like what we have here, V8, number 7 is 1 through 4, and number 8, fuse number 8 is for fuel injectors 5, 6, 7 and 8. So those are guys, okay, the fuses right there. This fuse and this one right here. These two fuses are for fuel injectors. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.